Since his ascension into stardom in the year 2000, Elegant Man has been inundated with a number of rumors and scandal, from rape charges to homosexuality to his latest controversial video being taken down off of YouTube. But despite all of these career-killing distractions, Elegant Man has managed to keep his head above water and sell some of the finest products on YouTube. Boy, you know you look too happy for all of them rumors that are flying around right now. Listen to me, dog, listen to me. The controversial material, everybody knows the controversy sell. So I don't need to tell nobody that, because controversy are the lick. If I thought more everybody know about, nobody not share it. You don't get shot, you don't get no forward, you don't get nothing. You just get last place. Well, so basically controversy sells. Your alleged bleaching issue has been resolved. Would you like to elaborate that? With the bread, you're bad enough. Well, you see, the thing about it is, bleaching is another controversy thing with me depend. You see me? Me personally, my skin tone up nice. From have AC in my house, so my skin tone up nice. Not everybody have AC. I'm realizing, well, the bleaching thing is not a thing that me want to jump on that bandwagon. So I find other products to sell. Because when Elegant Man did do bleaching cream, yo, you don't know so that sell off. Okay, there's a new rumor going around on social media about you allegedly having pornographic materials in your latest video. Ah, you're wicked enough. But you're wicked. Winnie Bread, you're wicked. But me have to address the rumor here. Me, Elegant Man, did just at the as seen on TV place showing them how to sell certain product. And me just come back on my house and me call up my good brethren Ganja Bread on the phone, and Ganja Bread tell me say them have naked lady upon it and it's some sexual content. And no, hold on, let me take out my glasses for this one, because you don't understand. Me, Elegant Man, infomercial god, me no need no form of nudity to sell my product them. My product them shot. Them shot, me no need for show nudity and naked girls to sell my product. I want a woman in a spandex. And at that, them flag me for and take down my video. They even restrict it.
But hold on a second, Elegant. I saw the clips, personally.
No, nothing and nothing close, no go so. Because, of course, you can look at the thing and the span expands and it seems like a buff up something. You can look at it, I'm not going to deny that. But when you go up online, you see so much other worth of things. So much other worth of things that don't even come close to what me put up. And you see them look at dry-head people. When them I work on YouTube, them not even investigate the matter. They say, you know what, there's no nudity in it. And they finger one mannequin. That was it. And there's no nudity in it. And them take it down, them not even investigate it. Them take it down and flag my page. I want that. I want that. Have you received an official apology? I don't need no apology. Go find a different YouTuber for pick one, you know?
Well, that's it for the show.
You know me to call to just maintain my lifestyle, my good ear, my good bag, my good glasses, my good watch.
Anything you want to add before you leave, Ellie?
Willie Bread, now that you mentioned it, more and finish it in a song. Boom boom nice again. Smell like spice again. Me do what me feel like. Got visa now. Hey, now me I go fly out on a plane. Come Jamaica, me I go down to Spain. Me I go for England, I go down.
Alright, that's it for the show, people.
Am I sure?
Elegant Man, please.
Am I sure?
You can buy the cream, Elegant Man, please. Please, Elegant.
Twerk it up.
Oh God.
I tell you, Mad White in a Bellevue. If you're mad like him, I can't help you. Subscribe on YouTube and see if it no tempt you. But try not tell nobody lyric can send you. This time you a go laugh till you dead off. Mad White him a the boss to bumbo. This time you a go laugh till you dead off. Mad White him a gorilla in a jungle. This time you a go laugh till you dead off. Mad White him a the boss.